Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. So the price continues to come down. Certainly the yellow count is preferred now. Already yesterday I highlighted to you that this drop below the trend line definitely isn't good for direct continuation higher. So that's not a problem. That's not necessarily bearish here. And this uptrend that might have started on the, where are we, 19th of October, yeah, 18th, 19th of October, that's just currently being tested. So obviously we hit the support area for the first time. That was quite shallow for a B wave anyway, after the A wave rally in 5 waves took place. So the pullback was quite short time-wise compared to the length of the move to the upside. And it was also quite shallow. So I don't have a problem with a deeper wave B. It's actually preferred. It always gets a bit ambiguous when you have an overshooting B wave. So this here was wave B of B. The rally was only in 3 waves. I indicated to you at the time that unless we get one more high, we have to assume this is a high B wave. It's a crystal clear 3-wave move up. And now we come down in what could become a 5-wave move. I don't think we have 5 waves yet. It doesn't look clear to me. So I prefer that wave 3 is still unfolding. Then we get 4 and 5. Bear in mind that this micro counting when we deal with altcoins is always, you get too many distortions, okay? What's more important is relevant support. So these are the support areas that haven't changed since we peaked in wave A. So key support levels are 1.7 cents, 1.6, 1.51, and 1.394 cents. And these are all going to provide support most likely. There is a key level, which is the breakout point. That was the breakout on the 26th of October. That level is at 1.64 cents. So it's between the 50% and the 38.2 retracement. I would prefer that level. I really would, because then we go below the A wave low. That's typically the preferred interpretation or scenario, and we also have probably enough space to complete all 5 waves. I mean, talking about Fibonacci extensions, bear in mind, take these with a pinch of salt because we're dealing here with an altcoin and small time frame. But if we assume this was a 1 of C, we go to the high of the 2 of C. Then we would expect wave 3 certainly should go into the region between 1.788 cents and 1.7. Can always extend, but this is sort of the area. Then we should get a wave 4 bounce and a wave 5 that could stretch. Yeah, I mean, here the 200% extension level points perfectly towards 1.64 cents. So let's see if we get there. That's the green line, the breakout point. But I would not, I mean, unless we go really deep, I wouldn't start to worry at the moment that this uptrend is already over. Bear in mind, this is anyway just an overall corrective rally. So this is not designed as a rally or expected as a rally necessarily going to all-time highs. It could do, but that's not the primary scenario right now. First of all, we have to answer the question if this is a sustainable, sort of sustainable uptrend that can send us higher in the coming weeks and months. And this is now the first test. I mean, the first deeper pullback is always the test for any potential trend reversal. So let's assume the trend has reversed. The first deeper pullback is going to be the real test, the stress test for this scenario. And yeah, I mean, at the moment, the move down looks so far corrective with this A wave, the overshooting B wave, and now the C wave down, but it should go a little lower. And then at some point in this region that I just mentioned to you, we should start to see a reversal and a 1-2 setup in wave C. Below 1.4 cents, I have to assume that this already failed and we are already back in bear mode and heading towards new bear market lows. It remains important to remain flexible when we deal with these altcoins, especially in a process of a trend reversal. So the next resistance level here was 2 cents that never broke. Brief break, but not a sustained break. And the next level afterwards will be 2.6 cents. That's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.